May defensive. So, malakas 'to mag-brawl. Shit. More on kiting tayo. Food check guys, food check. Food check then wala palang mount. Come. Saan ba yung gitna dito? Ito nga ayos, northwest. Huwag ka masyadong mag-ubos ng skills, Leona. Northwest. Saan sila? Nasaan sila? Ditang paano na ako? Nasa southeast sila. Come back northwest. Hold natin yung choke. Brawl sila. Come back northwest. Hold lang. Pasta ka ng rootbound. Nakatao itong mga to. Nakatingin na. Wait. Come back northwest. Pull them. Come northwest. Hold lang. I'll fake. Come back northwest. Ready southeast. In 3, 2, wait. 3, 2, 1, drop southeast. Then come northeast, guys. Northeast. Come northeast. Northeast lang. Come back northeast. Come northeast. Pail kayo, Leona. Southeast, guys. Southeast. Patelaw ng CD. Ready kayo. Come southwest. Southwest, guys. Southwest. Okay. Hold the choke. Hold the choke. Hold lang. Wait. Dodge niya. Come southeast. Wait. Hold lang. Hold northwest. Hold northwest. Wait. Hold lang, guys. Hold lang. Inching sila. Ready your defensive. Spread. Come walking southeast. Ready, southeast shallow in 3, 2, 1. Drop. And northwest, guys. Balik northwest. Defensive. D. Come northwest. Northwest. Pail lang. Hilap. Get it. Then walk southwest. Southeast. Walk southeast. Wait. Northwest nga. Balik northwest. Wait. Hold lang. Wait. Ready west. Wait. This is a fake. Wait. Here. Wait. D. Defensive. Nice. Ready west in 3, 2, 1. Drop on Nervo. Spread, guys. Tang in defensive yan. Come southeast. Come southeast. And come northwest. Come defensive. Ang ina. Ubos. May GG call ba to? Come northwest. Heal up, guys. Heal up. Wait. Yes. Give it up. Tang inang galing ng Enig. Wait, palit lang ng gear. I mean, ng weapon. Pail, guys. GG mo sushi. Hahaha. Ano Pail. Come southeast ulit. Southeast. Come southeast. Hold lang. Hold the northwest. Hold the northwest side. Basta ka lang bootbond. Spread, guys. Come take space. Remember, northwest tayo magkakite. Spread, guys. Spread. Spread. Spread lang. Pabrol lang ako, nasarap. Ready. Oh, well, fake. Come, walk northwest nga, walk northwest. Defensive, ready defensive, ready defensive. Nice. Ready west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. And spread, guys. Spread. Roll nyo lang. Spread. Come southeast, guys. Southeast kayo. Ready na tong mga to, Southeast lang kayo. Southeast. Okay. Ready southeast. Ready kayo? Ready southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. And come southeast. Southeast, guys. Full southeast. Southeast the northeast. Yeah, hold the southeast pala. Hold the southeast. Tell me your CDs, Tell me your CDs. CD ba? Hello?
Done.
Okay, come walk west. Walk west. I'll fake.
Palit lang ulit ng bracer.
I'll fake.
10 seconds
Spread lang.
bracer.
Don't go the choke. Don't go inside the choke. Come southeast. Ready defensive. Eh, wala. Fake. Come west. Guys, pasok na kayo sa choke. Eh, no. Come southeast. Ready southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. And come southeast. Ready defensive, guys. Defensive. Southeast. Pabrol ako nitong healer nila. Pabrol ako ng Silva. And spread. Ready kayo?
Yep, bracers ready.
Okay, ready. Spread muna. Spread. And ready west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop everything. And come northeast. Come east. Southeast. Brawl this, guys. Come southeast. And come northwest. Northwest kayo, guys. Ready kayo? Ready on 5, 4. Come northeast. 3, 2, 1. Drop. And southwest, guys. Southwest na. Huwag nyo nang habulin. Southwest lang. Kalma lang. May engage yan. Southwest. Hold this choke. Gago, niloot yung body. Pabigyan nga ng daon yung mga nasa front. Thank you. Just hold lang. Hold. Masyadong lumalalim. Okay. Come back southwest. Southwest of me. Wait. I'll try to fake. Inch up northeast. Ready your defensive. Come southeast. Walk in, guys. Walk in southeast. Oh, ready northwest. In 5, 4. Wait. Ready northwest in 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Drop everything. Bring everything northwest. Come west, southwest. Now come southwest. Come southwest. Then northwest. Come northwest. Up the stairs. Ready kayo? Ready on me in 5. Wait. Come west. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Drop on me. And west, guys. West. Just ready your defensives. Huwag ka mag-transform, Zack na wala kang stocks. Come west na, guys. West. Come west. Respektuhin niyo yung kalaban. Come west. Heal up. Panahin nyo dito. Ingat kayo sa energy shaper. Spread kayo. Ingat sa energy shaper. Ingat lang. Okay, 6. Ready ka, Zaka. Ready ka, Zaka. Inching up sila, Zak. Okay. Never mind, never mind. Wait. Ready nga, no? Ready is shallow is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. And spread kayo. Come southwest, come southwest. Southwest, guys. Southwest. D. Defensive. Shit. GG call if meron. Tangina. Hirap na ito. Ano yung matawid pa gago? Wala palang
Pindot yan
munti.
dito.
Walk nga kayo sa ano? Sa ping ko. Go to my ping. Yung mga na dyan, nasa gitna. Go to my ping. Okay, ready. Sino isang healer? Sino itong AFK na healer? Si Jordan. Okay. Nasaan sila? Same position. Hold this bridge. Come to the bridge. Hold, ano na, likod ko lang kayo. Wait. Yeah, just poke them. Yeah, pwede kayo, inch up kayo konti. Konti lang. Okay, hold this. Hold the northwest. Pa-northwest tayo. Hold the northwest. Spread kayo, northwest, southwest. Spread. Hug the wall. Go. Hug the wall. Ready. Fake. I'll try to fake. Inch kayo. Wait. Go inside. Ready southeast deep in 5. Wait. After the defensive. Ready inside of me. Ready inside in 3, 2, 1. Go na GE. D defensive. Northwest. Come northwest. Kite tayo. Kite northwest. Okay, northwest. Ready kayo? Hello. Baka may gusto mag-comms na DPS.
Patay ako.
Hello?
Patay ako.
Guys, comms kayo guys. Ang hirap ng tsahin. Nakagolem ako. Hindi ako nawanan ng mace. Come on nga. Balik nga kayo konti. Back kayo. Back kayo ng konti pa. Tangina, stop dance ah. Okay, inch guys. I'll fake. Inch kayo. Inch up. Fake. Spread. Defend. Ano na yan? Mag-engage yan. Go inside. Ready west in 5, 4. Wait. Cancel. Come northwest. Go. Defensive. Ready defensive. Wala pa. Ready northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Body ko. The northwest guys. Northwest. Spread kayo. Northwest. Defensive. GG. Guys, please, sana may mag-call ng CD nila. Para alam ko kung kailan tayo magbaba, kailan tayo mag-hit.
Back.
Na lahat, Vite.
Ano, ipipi po kami.
Tangina. Pipi lahat. Ayup.
Zach, mamaya ka na mag-ano, pag
Zach.
engage.
Zach, hindi mo isasabay yung yung imo sa call ko. Kasi wala ka pang, or di ko lang nakita. Wala pa akong nakikitang na soak mo. Na basta yung engage nila, yung pero mahirap mabasa, pero yung engage nila try mong basahin. Kung kailan sila mag-hit, doon ka mag-i. Ay magda-W. The EW. Come guys, takan. Come northwest, northwest guys. Galaw. Northwest. Sila naman matake. Come northwest. Come northwest ba? Inch pa yun. Ano kayo pa? Balik pa yun. Northwest guys. Northwest. Then, diyan kayo sa likod ko. Likod ko lang kayo. Pwede ka dito. Yung ibang ano, pwede northeast then northwest. Take space northeast. Inch na pa bit. Wait. Wait. And come back a little bit. Come back a little bit. Masyadong maaga yung fireball, Aliona. Wait. Inch kayo. Fake out. Come back northwest. Inch lang. Wala akong sinabing ano. Go inside. Come northwest. Northwest. Pabulin niyo sa choke. Spread northwest.
Aga.
Ready southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Gago. Come northwest. Then northeast guys. Northeast. Bro nyo lang yung nasa ano, loob. Bro nyo lang. Come northeast. Mind kayo. Northeast. Ready defensive. D. Baka nakalimutan ko yung potion ko.
Inch up. Northwest. Go northwest.
Oh my God, ang grabe.
Wala. Naano ka agad. Yung E.
Hindi na fake yung ano nila enig nila MB na fake ako. Okay lang. Basta practicein mo na yung paggamit. Para at least next time alam mo na. Si Jordan, wala ata si Jordan. Ito, hinintay lang pala ako. Likod ko lang kayo. Bro nyo tong nasa harapan. Spread kayo spread. Spread pa northwest. Bro nyo yung mga nasa gilid Yung mga RDPS lang. Paano ako? Wait ako. Okay, nice. Bro nyo na sa southwest. Come, go in. Bro nyo na sa southwest. Bro nyo tong nasa southeast. Ready southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Spread guys, spread kayo. Sobrang spread. Layuan nyo yung katabi nyo. Engaging. Spread. D. Ready west. Ready ba kayo? Ready kayo? Northwest. Ready northwest in 5. Northwest in 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop northwest. Come south, come northeast kayo guys. Northeast kayo. Northeast. Wait, engage yan. D. Northeast. Come northeast. Ready ba kayo? Hello? Ready mean 3,
Ready.
2, 1. Drop. Then come northwest guys. Northwest. Northwest na. Then southwest. Padadya ko na Energy Shaver. Come southwest. Ready ba kayo? Hello?
Ready.
Patay.
Ready on realm break in 3, 2, 1. Drop. Guys, ba't wala kang gago? Patay na dapat yun Southwest. Saan ata nag-drop pa? Si Pinoy lang Tapos yung carving.
Patay.
Patay ba kayo? Okay, my bad. Hilap. Bata, puro healer pala katabi ko. Wait. Come northwest. Bro nyo tong si Real 1K. Bro Real 1K. Yung mga RDPS lang pala. Yung mga melee, come back melee. RDPS, tirahin niya. Ang gurando. Okay, walk nga, walk nga. Walk inside, walk inside, walk inside, walk inside. Walk inside, walk. This is a fake, 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 this is a fake. Okay, ready north, ready west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Spread kayo southeast, spread kayo southeast, spread southeast, spread southeast, spread southeast of me, southeast of me, southeast of me. Southeast of me, southeast of me, southeast. Then northeast of me, then northeast. Can someone tell me their cooldown? Tell me your cooldown. Come northeast,
5 seconds gloves.
come northeast, guys.
3 seconds gloves.
Ready,
Gloves ready.
ready inside of me. 5, 4, 3, 8, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Headbutt. Holy shit. Reset ka.
Yung guys, salita na kayo para yung maayos yung engage.
Oo nga,
Para
please.
Yung
Nakamit
ganyan na
naman kayo,
paano?
ba't di kayo nagsasalita? Tangina, sabihin nyo lang cooldown niya eh. Kahit sabihin natin, na-late ka nung nag-engage ako. Kahit sabihin natin late ka
Ay, diba,
nakapag-drop, basta masabi nyo yung cooldown niya, please.
Hindi lumabay.
Guys, hindi ko kaya mag-isa lang to. Hindi ko lang kaya mag-isa to. Kailangan ko ng comms nyo.
Sige.
Best of break.
Copy.
Nagkatao sa musicaw.
Oo. Sabihin nyo din pag naka-cancel kayo, pag naano kayo. Kasi comms din sa akin, if na-cancel kayo, syempre hindi kayo tutuloy yung engage.
Try to call when DPS get silent.
Northwest.
Gagamit sa itong caller.
Grabe yung bron nila eh. Come northwest. Engage tayo, then kay tagad ah. Wait. Spread lang. Ready southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. And northeast. Kahit na agad, kahit northeast. Fuck tong energy shaper to. Come northeast.
Five, pre.
Northeast guys, northeast.
Para sa engage.
Northeast. Hello, di ba engage? Cool down. Ready mo ni 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. And southeast. Kahit na agad. Southeast. Southeast then southwest guys. Southeast then southwest. Southwest. Southwest.
3 seconds cooldown. Ready?
Spread kayo. Ready nga northwest. Ready ba kayo? Ready northwest. Ready northwest. Spread D. Ready northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the shaper. Then northwest guys. Northwest. Northwest na. Come northwest. Okay, pabol lang natin. Northwest. Play tayo ng kahit dito. Northwest. Ready to mga to. Mag-engage to. Ready nyo defensive nyo. Ready kayo? Ready southeast in 5. Wait, southeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Nice one. Then go in guys. Go in southeast. Go in. Habulin nyo. GG daw. GG. Holy shit! Ganun lang, tangina. Tignan nyo yung laki ng difference nung alam ko yung CD nyo. Itong ina. Second ba? Maganda if ikaw, Pinoy, magsasabi if ganyan.
Ano naman, pwedeng i-cancel na lang yung unang Infinity Blade. Para ready for clap.
Kina-cancel ko yung yung isa Infinity, pero hindi. 3
Ano
seconds
no?
talaga.
Pwede
3
ikaw na
seconds.
lang, Pinoy, magsabi. Since ikaw at the longest CD.
Sige.
Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute.
Come. Spread guys, spread na. Wala nang baligan, spread. Spread. Roll nyo to. Wait lang. Hintayin nyo sila magano. Wait lang. Wait. Stop muna. Stop. G. Come northwest. Pang ina nun ah. Come west. West kayo guys. West of me. Spread kayo. Layuan nyo isa't isa. Looking to. Layuan nyo isa't isa. Ready inside. Wait lang ah. Spread lang guys. Spread. Ready on me in 5. Ready south is 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. And spread kayo. Spread northeast. Spread southeast.
One, two.
GG's lang. GG's.